Persons have asked time and time again, why do we have to go to North America to sail to the Caribbean? And that has always been a question that boggled our minds. But now we've got home porting arrangements secured with MSC Cruise Lines just for Caribbean people. Want to see, want to experience, want to get the flavor of the Caribbean? This is the way to do it. We're talking ports of call that include St. Martin, Martinique, Guadeloupe, Samana, St. Kitts, Barbados, Antigua and Barbuda. The list goes on and on and on. And the nice thing is, every 7 days it's a different itinerary. So, want to see more of the Caribbean? Then book back-to-back sailings. They are never the same. This is wonderful. This is amazing. And we're happy to be bringing it to you starting November 2026. But for the best prices, best staterooms, best opportunity, book now. We already have group space available for Christmas 2026. Yes, indeed. We went ahead and pulled your cabins out of inventory and they are ready and waiting for you. And the best deal of all, you can secure your spot today with a $50 per person deposit, coupled with an amazingly attractive monthly payment plan. And you not only benefit from us arranging your cruise. Oh, we have your air. We have transfers included in one easy price. And to sweeten the pot, you have an excursion built in the day after arrival. You have an excursion built in the day after you have cruised from La Romana. So what that means is you get to see the Dominican Republic twice during this stay. But prices will change if you wait beyond our deposit dates. So this is the time, this is the moment for you to seal your presents, grab your friends, take your family. It is a wonderful opportunity to sail from the Caribbean to see the Caribbean. Do you have a special date in mind that you and your crew would like to sail the Caribbean? Not a problem. We're here. Give us a call at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited and pick the date of your choosing to sail the Caribbean from the Caribbean. You, the person who leads the group, will have the opportunity to sail free. Why not? So, put your group together, give us a call. We can do wonderful things for your group on board, including cocktail receptions, room drops with sparkling wine, chocolate-covered strawberries, birthday celebrations, specialty dining, even weddings. So, start thinking groups, start thinking families, friends, company events. It's a celebration with us here at Share Fantastic Travel and Resorts Limited. For those of us leaving Jamaica doing our Christmas 2026 sailing, we leave Kingston on the 19th of December. So we've got a full day, the day of the 20th of December, to explore the treasures of Punta Cana. Yes, I said Punta Cana. We will be housed in the heart of this amazing city. Then we head on to La Romana and board our beautiful vessel for 7 nights of intrigue and wonder. Must take in a little bit more of the Dominican Republic, and so Catalina Island awaits. This is one of the not to be missed locations that many of our day trips usually go. But for this sailing, we will take you there on your floating hotel. And then it's on to the private, beautiful, enchanted beaches of Samana. Now, if we're fortunate, we might see a humpback whale during the migratory mating season. So fingers crossed, Samana beckons. Continuing on our exploration of the Caribbean, we will touch Virgin Gorda, one of the beautiful islands in the Virgin Islands. And as we continue throughout this beautiful part of the Eastern Caribbean, St. Kitts, one of my favorite islands, is next. And we top it off with the beautiful beaches on the French side. Or is it the Dutch side? That is something for us to talk about. Yes, we dock on the Dutch side of the smallest island in the Caribbean that has two separate countries, St. Martin. Christmas will be wonderful, and we have treats on board, treats on land, treats all the way through, just for you. You have asked for it time and time again, and we want to do it. Now we can. Sailing from the Caribbean to the Caribbean, we are happy to announce year-round sailings from the Caribbean to the Caribbean aboard the beautiful MSC Opera. Yes, indeed. And this is happening beginning November 2026. Every week, 7-day rotations, La Romana to La Romana. Caribbean people, this one is for you.